Hi guys, hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the battery in a 2012 Toyota Sienna. The battery was last replaced in 2020, so about 3 years ago. The average life expectancy for these kinds of batteries is 3 to 4 years, so it makes sense. A lot of corrosion around the battery base. We're putting in a little bit of Coke around it. Sounds like a bad idea, I know, but it actually gets rid of the corrosion, and I sopped it all up with a rag afterwards. So sit back and enjoy the video. Alright, go and turn it on. Go ahead. Hey! Let's go! Are they ready to check engine lights?
No.
Oh, awesome. Wow. Alright then. Thanks for watching, guys.